export saved passwords from Brave browser. So if you want to export saved passwords from Brave browser, then what you need to do is you need to just open up your Brave browser at first. After opening, go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. And from here, you need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you need to go with the search icon, which is on the top right. And here you need to type autofill. After typing, you will have these options right here on the right side. You need to click on the passwords and you will be able to see all of your saved passwords. But in my case, I don't use Brave browser much, so I don't have any saved passwords right here. But if you have saved passwords, then on the right side of your saved passwords, you will have three dots. You need to go with the three dots and you will have an option of import or export passwords. So you need to just click on export passwords. And after that, again, click on the export password, which will be with the red ink. And you need to enter your administrative password and click on OK, and you need to select the storage location and you can click on save, and it will be saved as a file on your desktop. In this way, you'll be able to export your saved passwords from your Brave browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.